Hello, welcome to today's daily message. My other parish, besides St. Nicholas, is St. Vincent de Paul Parish on the other side of the river in the Soulard neighborhood. And one of the practices that we have had at St. Vincent's for many, many years is something that takes place after the Sunday Masses. After Mass, there are coffee and donuts for whomever wishes to show up and to share fellowship. And there are numerous homeless men, women, and children who join us for coffee and donuts. And one of the things that I love about that practice is that everyone sits together, no one serves the other. Homeless folks and parishioners sit and talk to each other. It is truly a shared experience. It's truly a shared meal. And I bring that up because this sharing of meals is something that was important also to Jesus. When we look in the Gospel of Luke, Jesus tells the parable about a great banquet in which he invites a lot of people, and they all have excuses for why they can't attend. And then the master tells his servants to go out into the streets and lanes and invite those who are poor and those who are blind and those who can't walk to come to his banquet. And the banquet hall, even after that, isn't full. And so then the master says, go out into the highways and hedges because I want my dining hall to be filled. A critical part of Jesus' ministry was the ministry of feeding. We know about the feeding of the 4,000, the feeding of the 5,000, the Last Supper. He breaks bread with the disciples on the road to Emmaus. And when Jesus shares meals, he shares them with everyone. There are no exceptions. He shares them with men and women and rich and poor and sick and impure and unacceptable and with everyone. And so there's a question that poses to us. There are those around us, there are those in our families, in our neighborhoods, who need to be fed. And they need to be fed either in body, in mind, or in spirit. And so will we recognize those people in our lives who need to be fed today? And will we participate in the ministry of Jesus by sharing our spiritual and bodily food with them? Thank you and have a great day.